Bravo's lost. We can't retake Bravo.
That radio man, don't go out stationary nearby.
Everyone push to Alpha.
We have one person in Alpha right now. What are you doing? Get in the car.
Alpha's being attacked.
The entire game is just standing within these areas. See the area, shoot people outside it.
Too late, go back. Too late,
We've lost Alpha.
stay back.
Okay, now try to stay inside C.
The plane.
Right, actually retreat back to C. Don't wait until you die. Kill you, and then we'll get into C. Respawn.
I need new mark. We need that radio man. The stationary radios are very bad on this map. They're like inside the middle of the objective.
Large group of people just out the front of C. Why don't you just move back 10 meters and then actually help?
Mark is unfortunately there. They are pushing from Gold 7. More mark. Need a mark there on Gold 7. Have RT ready. Napalm it. Still waiting. Myself now, thanks. Hold them, get in guys. Oligarch in front.
Being near the objective.
Well,
Exactly
thanks for
like
the
being
mark. Lost
absolutely nowhere
some
near the
minutes.
objective. You have to be in
Fire
the
support
objective.
him.
Move into the objective.